Welcome to our kitchen by the sea, where today we're going to show you how to make delicious steamed crabs. First, you'll want to start with the freshest crabs you can find. Look for ones that are lively and active. Next, prepare a large pot with about 2 inches of water and a steaming rack. Bring the water to a boil. Carefully place the crabs onto the steaming rack, making sure they're not overcrowded. Now, it's time to add some flavor. Sprinkle your favorite seasoning over the crabs. We like to use a combination of Old Bay seasoning, garlic, and lemon. Cover the pot with a lid and let the crabs steam for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on their size. While we wait, let's prepare some melted butter for dipping. Simply melt some butter in a saucepan or microwave, and voila! You have the perfect accompaniment for your steamed crabs. Once the crabs are bright red and cooked through, carefully remove them from the pot. And there you have it, perfectly steamed crabs, ready to be enjoyed with melted butter and your favorite side dishes. Thanks for joining us in our kitchen by the sea. We hope you enjoy your delicious steamed crabs.